All right, today we're going to introduce a new belt to you, the Hunterworks Ultra Premium. What is an Ultra Premium? Ultra Premium is a belt that is used a manufacturing technique that uses twice the man hours as any traditional methods of manufacturing belt. Why in the world are you doing that, and why does it require it? Well, if you watched our video several months ago about the release of the Timken Ultimax UXP499, that is for the Polaris Pro R. It had to be made differently to hold up to that big heavy vehicle. And I said, well, if there's something better, Hunterworks would like to have it. The best on the planet is our mantra. And will you let me have this technology on our belts? They said, no, we want to keep it for ourselves. Well, after some hem-hawing around, we made an agreement. They said, will you allow us to put our name on it? And I said, typically we don't do that. But if it's the only way that I can get this new technology, then yes. So you're going to see our part number, HW925U by Ultimax. Okay. And then I said, well, if you're going to put your name on it, I don't want just an Ultimax belt with my part number on it. I want to use our proven design and dimensions of our Turbo Belt 925T that we worked on for 8 years. I said, I would even let you have it if you wanted it for your own belt, but that's what I want. And they said, all right, so enter in. We were allowed to have our 925 belt made in this version, okay? It says 925U. U is unicorn. Unicorn was a code name for this belt during the process because we couldn't decide what to name it or call it. They kept their UXP name for their Pro R belt, and then we have finally just decided to call it the Ultra Premium. We have a premium line and the Ultra Premium. Right, it's just simply a more consistently made belt. It's not so much cogs, cords, compounds as it is consistency. And to my knowledge, there is no other manufacturer that is using this technique. And I've been sworn to secrecy to what that technique is, even though I know it and I know that it works. We have certainly sent test belts out and we hadn't had any problems. UXP499, which is the father of this belt, I'm not aware we've had to warranty or had any problems out of it. We don't sell a ton of those belts for the Pro R, but we haven't had any issues either. Okay, now, the next thing is price. It's significantly higher price because like I said, it's got twice the man hours in it, but yet the price will still be less than most OE belts that they will replace. This belt fits anything 16 and newer turbo. If it's got a turbo on it for Polaris, it fits it. Polaris has kept the exact same belt from 17 through 24. They changed horsepower, they changed weights, tires. They never upgraded the belt. We're upgrading. It also fits 18 three-seater Ranger XP, not SOHCs, and then 19 and newer. Anything Ranger XP 1000, it would be pretty much overkill for that vehicle, same as our regular turbo belt that we sell for that model is, but it's much thicker than your factory is, and it grabs so much better on those Rangers. It also fits and works on RS1. So if you want the best on the planet, then I would check out the HW925U Ultra Premium. Now, with that being said, real quick, what's the warranty? Same warranty that all we have. We have a scan right here. You can go see it. Then you can go, before you ever buy it, you're more than welcome to go to the website, read it. We always joke and call it the best, worst warranty. It's the best because I want to help you determine if it was a belt issue, a U problem, or a clutching issue. And then I'll help you with it. It makes it the best. The worst is you like to drink beer, jump off of mud holes, holler yee-haw, 50-inch tires, no gear reduction. And I say no, and we suck. That's the worst part. Break-in video. How do you break in a belt? Scan it right there, and we got a break-in video. And also there's a link on it to our website. Now, most consistently made belt on the planet. I got this old belt from y'all. You said it's most consistent. And I see cord and rubber around it. It ain't very consistent. It needs to be consistently cord or consistently rubber. Well, that's how belts are made. I don't believe that. My belt I took off don't look like that. No, your belt probably looked like this, where it was worn and it was even, and the black got in the cord, made black cord. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. But it didn't look like that when it started. Wow, what's this belt? I think that's a Polaris belt. What is that? Rubber cord, rubber cord, rubber cord. It's just the way you make belts and how they cut them. That's a machine that actually cuts them in and cuts them. They're made a big long tube, and that's just how it is. Running 100, 200 miles, get it fully broke in. It gets consistent like that one. So don't panic when your new unicorn belt has rubber cord around it. Got any questions about this? Todd at Hunterworks.com. Make sure you subscribe and like, and we appreciate you very much. It is because of you that we're able to dabble in things like this, and we want to get better and better and better over time with any products. When you say it's the best on the planet, we mean it, and you know, it's just like anything else. Sometimes you step on your toe, but right here, if we know about it, we fix it. And on that note, I've held you long enough, but I'm gonna say this. If you're having any kind of problems with anything from Hunterworks, or maybe your buddy does and his buddy does, whatever it is, if I don't know about it, I can't fix it. So make sure that you let us know, because as of right now, we have no known issues with any present products whatsoever, nothing. And we need to know if there is. So appreciate you guys. Holler if you need me.